The last video we discussed about components and also discussed little bit about functional component. In this video, I'll closer look at functional component. The first and recommended component type in React is functional component. Functional component is a JavaScript or ES6 function. It must return a React element which is called Js-6. The name of the functional component or any component should start with a capital letter. If you start a component name with a lowercase letter, it will be treated like a built-in HTML element like a div or a span. Components can take proofs as an optional parameter. Let's create a functional component. Open Visual Studio Code. And this is the application last time we built. As the component is a JavaScript function and the code should be written in the JavaScript file, let add a file, name it welcome.js. Very first step, you need to import React in your file. Import React. This is the function. Let's add the name of the function is welcome. Here you can see the function name starts with a capital letter W and it has a return statement. And it is returning a JS6. Welcome Ehasanul. This is our functional component. Still, this component is no longer used in the application. According to modular JavaScript concept, if you want to use this component inside other component, first thing you need to do, you need to export this component from this file and import it inside the file you want to use. Let's export this welcome component. Here export default and name of the component. Now we can use this component inside any other component like an HTML element. Here the app component, I will use welcome component. So let's import the welcome component first. Here import welcome. So now we can use welcome component here. Here React renders the welcome component. We can use arrow function to define this component. Here let's comment this code. Declare a variable welcome. So here is the same output. The component I exported, this is the default export. There is other export called named. I'll discuss different types of export in details and differences of them in the next video.